concerned that the level of bribery, of intimidation, of abuse of office, of corruption during this election has been exceedingly high.
300,000 shillings to each delegate, and realize that we don't need to support the corrupt, and to know that the money being used is actually your money. This is taxpayers' money. So please chew it, but make the right choices.
When you vote for Anita, you're voting for a mobilizer. You vote for Anita, you vote for a unifying factor. When you vote for Anita, you're voting for a person to promote NRM up the ground.
Has no vote. We are mounting the line of Honorable Anita. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We just crossed right 91. The voters for Honorable Anita are 91.
Kano balina a lot of excitement. Abalonzi buli olaba buli muntu ayagala muntu we bakakamu ate bakola kyeyagalire terina gwosindiikiriza. Ko kalazeeko kyekubira nga kalabika abantu abasinga obungi abakyamuka balina oludda lwe bagwako. Naye olwokuba akalulu tekasobola kulangirirwa nga tonafuna bivudde mu kulonda wonna, tulindalindako tulabe oba anaabeera mukyala Anita Among oba anaabeera mukyala ayitwala Kadaga.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.